Okay, and we are back. Welcome back to You Can Linux. Today, we are going to be working with OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. So OpenSUSE has two editions, right? One is a traditional release model. They're currently on OpenSUSE 16. The other is OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, which is a rolling release model. Now, what do I mean by that? Basically, a rolling release model is you install it once and update it forever, as opposed to a traditional release model where you install one version and then you have to upgrade to the next version. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The reason I decided to go with Tumbleweed is because that seems to be what everybody who uses OpenSUSE goes with. It's funny because like this is the second rolling release that I've covered. The first one was Solus, and Solus you only get a rolling release. OpenSUSE, it's an option, and it's the option everybody takes. And I've also covered Fedora. Fedora also has a rolling release version. It's called Fedora Rawhide. The reason it's called Rawhide is because it's only for people who are testing. So basically no normal user uses it. Okay? So, yeah. This is interesting. I'm going to go with KDE on this because I kind of see OpenSUSE as a KDE first distribution. Obviously Ubuntu is GNOME first because, any other desktop environment you get, it's going to be a flavor. Fedora, I kind of see as a GNOME first distribution, even though they kind of made KDE a first-class citizen as well. But, traditionally, Fedora has been a GNOME first distribution. That's their flagship edition. OpenSUSE, they don't really roll like that, where, like, this is the flagship version. At least I don't think they have in the past. I haven't tried out OpenSUSE a whole lot, so I'm not super familiar with OpenSUSE. But, and I can't articulate why, but I just kind of see them as a KDE distribution, Okay, what's it doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, OpenSUSE? Oh, there we go. Okay, straight into an installer. All right. I can't see a goddamn thing. Motherfucker! Motherfucker! Folks, for those of you watching at home, if you can't see anything, trust me, I'm just as blind as you are. Because if this is your first time joining us, this is outputting to a 4K TV. And usually when I go in with a Linux distro, I have to go in and put the resolution down to 1080p so I can actually, see anything. But, yeah, I don't have a way to, okay, this is a license agreement? Nobody reads these things. Hold on. I believe this is the next button. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let me get in close. Yes to online repositories. Enabling the online repositories during installation gives you access to all software that does not fit on the installation media anymore. Additionally, those repositories might contain updated software packages. Yeah, I will activate the online repositories then. Yeah, and if you're confused about what a package is, when we talk about packages in Linux, a package is just a piece of software that's ready to be installed and used. Okay. Oh, shit. Hit the next button. I am seriously flying blind here. I gotta lean in to see anything. Damn it. So, yeah, if you need scaling or anything like that, and you've got a 4K monitor, just be aware, OpenSUSE At least Tumbleweed goes straight into the installer. I don't know about the traditional release one. Okay, so we've got system role. Hold on. I got to get in closer. Let me put my Okay. System roles are predefined cases which can tailor the system for the selected scenario. Okay, so we got desktop with KDE Plasma. Okay, suitable for workstations, desktops, and laptops. Desktop with GNOME. Graphical system with GNOME as the desktop environment. Suitable for workstation, desktops, and laptops. Desktop with XFCE. Graphical system with XFCE as desktop environment and additional set of software. Suitable for workstations, desktops, and laptops. Then we got a generic desktop. Graphical system with reduced package set intended as a base for a customized software selection. And we've got server. Suitable for a text mode interface. We're just going to go with KDE like I planned. I am kind of interested in what this generic desktop does, but we're just going to go with KDE. Okay. Okay, I think we're going to go down to guided setup. Okay, yeah, that's the hard disk. Remove even, yeah. We're just going to completely nuke and pave. I don't know what LVM does, and we're not going to enable disk encryption. Yeah, the defaults are fine. Oh, it has a little option here for us having a separate home partition. That's nice. Okay, let me see here. I'll explain what a separate home partition is in a bit. I think I might have explained it before, but, you know, if this is your first time with us, yeah, it's not, I don't want to confuse you. Okay. And then we hit next. Synchronizing with NTP server. Okay. Hey, okay. Okay, it's already set to New York for the time zone. Okay, my username. Okay, my full name, Stan Stockfoot. Username is Stan, that's fine. Okay, use this password for the system administrator. Yeah, that's good. Automatic login. Nah. And we're just gonna... Oh, no, wait. Oh, okay. Okay, you can skip user creation, I guess, if you really want to. I'm not sure what reason you would have. I'm assuming if that's like for if you want to... This password is too simple. It is based on a dictionary word. You've used only lowercase letters for the password. Really use this password? Yes, I would. Thank you. Okay. Okay, next. Confirm installation. Yes, install, please. Okay. Oh, it says installation warming up. I can read that. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. This happened with Debian, too. I completely... Well, with Debian, I just forgot that, you know, the network installer might just go up to 4K without me realizing it, and then, you know, I couldn't read anything, and then I didn't even realize this just goes to a network installer, not even a live CD. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the recording, and I'll see you in a minute. So, it pretty much automatically restarted as soon as the fucking Oh, the installer finished. It like so I was looking away and I looked up and it finished and it rebooted. So yeah. Here we're just gonna boot from hard disk. Yeah, okay. And I'm just gonna there we go. Thumb drive has been removed. Come on. Okay. Let's see here. Oop. Okay. All right. First thing we need to do, go down here to System Settings, and then the search bar we type in Display. Display configuration and resolution 1920 by 1080. There we go. Yes, please keep the display configuration, please. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So we have a little welcome screen here. We got a README. Goes out to Firefox. Okay. Apparently the installer is called Agama. Well, we're not on Leap 16. Leap is the traditional release version. That's what they call it. Let's see here. Oh, the Firefox has a nice green theme to it to match the OpenSUSE green stuff. Yeah. Okay. And we got documentation. Did I just hit? Okay, it goes to the same place. What does README go to? It goes to the same. Fuck off, Firefox! It goes to the same place. What the hell? Okay. All right. Well, let's get some software. Was? What? Hold on a sec. What's lost and found? X screensaver. Is this still using X11? I don't know. Let's install something real quick. OpenSUSE uses RPM install files, just like Fedora, but Fedora and OpenSUSE packages, I believe, are incompatible. Let's see what games they have. Give Steam the Adwaita treatment. No, thank you. That's a good. Hey, you know what? Let's do Chocolate Doom. Expert download. Okay. Well, how do I install software, though? You know what else is bothering me? Global theme. We'll go with Breeze. Hold on. Oh, this. Okay. We'll go with Breeze Dark. There we go. That's better. Okay. Okay, now I can actually see things. Oh, it comes with some games pre-installed. Hey, Sudoku. Comes with a lot of software. I remember back in the day, I had to get a bigger thumb drive for OpenSUSE because it was like over 4 gigabytes the installer was. This was in like 2016, 2017, something like that. So nearly 10 years ago now. Let's see here. Kate. System. Let's try system. Oh, discover. That's what. Duh. Discover. Okay. Yeah, this is a KDE thing. On any KDE desktop, this is the sort of software store. So we want. Let's just search for Doom. Oh, I have updates. Thank you. Oh, there's a bunch of these. Oh, and I guess it has FlatHub pre-installed. So those are all flat packs. Let's do a traditional package though. Okay. By the way, this is how you do updates in if you've got a KDE distro, you just you can just go here in the Discover store and go down to updates and hit update all, or you can uncheck this and I mean there's only one update available, but if there were more you could uncheck some and just update the ones that were selected. Well, did I install it? Hold on. Yeah, I did. See, there's a trash can icon there now. Okay, so I can just update this. If you got a Steam Deck and you go into desktop mode on the Steam Deck also uses KDE, well, KDE Plasma, but that's neither here nor there. Actually, that might be an idea. I might see if, hold on. Liquid. Hmm. GNOME shell. No, you can't install another desktop from there. Okay. Before we do anything else, we gotta put our condom on. Okay. OpenSUSE KDE Liquid. If I can install it on here, we'll showcase KDE Liquid after this. Okay, Liquid Shell. Eh. Fuck it. Okay, well, not gonna go into customization because we already did that on Fedora. But, and I'm starting a little late as well. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Setup tool for chocolate. Now let's, oh shit. What is Strife? I've heard of Hexen and Heretic. What's Strife? Okay. I guess it's nothing. Okay. I guess I have to install something else to get fucking Chocolate Doom running. Well, that sucks. Okay. Well, fine then. Here. Okay, there we go. And to uninstall, you just hit the trash can in the Discover store. Proceed. Okay. Yeah, this looks playable out of the box. We'll just install this from FlatHub. I have yet another update. What is Microsoft UEFI DBX? Okay. Yeah, like I said, this is a rolling release, so I guess packages just come in, package updates come in faster and all that. I'll just do it. I guess not. OpenSUSE used to have a program called Zypper, spelled Zypper, that you use to install software. They phased that out in Leap 16, and they phased it out even earlier in Tumbleweed. So yeah, now I guess you just use the Discover Store. Or GNOME software if you're on GNOME. I don't know what you use if you're on XFCE, though. XFCE doesn't have its own software store application. Let's see here. What all does this come with? Compare diff/patch front end. What is this? Oh, I guess you can just compare files for some reason. Okay, and then we've got Qt 6 dbus viewer. For education, you got LibreOffice Math. Oh, hey, there's FreeDoom. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Okay, WASD and mouse aiming. Okay. Is there screen tearing in this? Yeah, I can see some screen tearing. And there's... We forgot something. We forgot something. We forgore something. There we go. At least I can switch over to HDMI. Okay. Now we can do FreeDoom. Hey, it's got music, actually. All right. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, we're heavy on the screen tearing here. Oh, okay. Ah, shit. Okay. I am absolutely terrible at video games, so it shouldn't take too long for me to die. Well, never mind. They are pretty well, it is the first level, but yeah, they're pretty generous. Their help, I guess. Oh shit! Ooh. Shotgun. Okay. Control's kind of floaty. Like, hold on. Here, I'm pressing down the W key and release. Yeah, see, it kept moving for a couple seconds. You get like kind of momentum in this game. Okay. Oh, the music stopped for a second. I wondered what that was about. Yeah, there's a lot of screen tearing here. Hold on. Can I turn on VSync maybe? Display. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's better. I think. Running a little bit more. I feel like it's running a little bit more sluggishly, though. Maybe not. Oh, maybe that's just my imagination. This feels really floaty, like I said. Okay. Okay, that's enough of that. Quit game. Yes, I want to quit the fucking game. Okay. Alright, what else do we... What comes pre-installed with games? K-Mahjong, K-Mines, K-Patience, K-Reversi, and K-Sudoku. Graphics, we have Gwenview, that's an image viewer, LibreOffice Draw, Ocular, and Scanlight. I don't have a scanner, so I can't test that. Then we have Help. Okay. We have Internet. We have an RSS feed reader. We have Firefox and Kmail. Conversation, an IRC client. Does anybody even use IRC clients out of, like, does anybody use IRC outside of open source software? KTNF. Viewer extractor for TNEF files. I don't know what that is. Tim Data Explorer, Steve Editor, Multimedia, Office, Multimedia just has VLC, K Address Book, Kmail, K Organizer, LibreOffice, the whole LibreOffice suite, Steve Editor. That's an email thing. And then we've got the system utilities. Seriously, is this thing still running on X11? And then we have utilities. Hold on. Let me log out. Yeah, log out now. Let's see here. Well, then if it's X11, they don't have a Wayland mode installed, so... I mean, this has to be Wayland. Huh. I'll fuck off about the fucking mouse battery. So, I changed the wallpaper while I logged out. Here. Right-click, desktop and wallpaper. There's only 2 of them. Okay. Hey now, Hunyongo, what are those? I have no idea what those are. Okay. Huh. Well. Alright. Like I said, I don't really want to get into too much customization because I already kind of did that when I first did KDE with Fedora. And there's not really going to be significant differences this time. And I think I've actually covered KDE a second time and done a little more customization with it. So yeah, is there anything else distro specific that I can look at? You can do a whole lot with KDE. Like when I did, like if you look at my Fedora KDE video, and look at what I did with it, that's what I did with it then is just scratching the surface of what's possible with how you can configure KDE. It's nuts. They say simple by default, but I mean, look at all these settings. Very much the opposite philosophy to GNOME. You know, the old joke with GNOME is most of our development time is spent on GNOME Shell, which is, you know, the GNOME desktop. So we decided to deprecate it. So yeah. I can't think of anything else I want to cover that's OpenSUSE specific. Yeah, no, discard those changes. I don't know what I changed. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, there's nothing else I really need to cover, I don't think. And we've only gone for 30 minutes. Well, let's look at system stuff. Merlin. What's Merlin here? Here, we'll go in full fat here. Oh, this is, I guess this is kinda like the equivalent of, oh, the equivalent of, fuck. Synaptic Package Manager, in Debian. Let's see here. Oh, they do have several other, you know, stuffs in, their repositories. If I search for Liquid Shell. Hey! Hell yeah, let's install that shit. Fuck yeah! Okay. Hell yeah, finally get to cover this. Okay. Yes! Okay. So we are going to log out. Yes, log out now. Okay. And then we are going to... There should be an option here somewhere to... Damn it. I accidentally clicked the, thing there. There should be a way to switch to... Oh, wait. What's this? Oh, shit. That's an accessibility thing. That's the virtual keyboard. What is this? Oh, hey. Okay. Oh, there is... Okay, I just didn't see this because it's friggin' tiny because the, this is in 4K. Oh, there's an ICE WM session. I wonder if that's the basic desktop. Okay. We have been switched to Liquid Shell. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, this is very exciting. Hey, we're in Liquid... What? This isn't Liquid Shell. Oh, that's bullshit. Come on. Okay, hold on. No, it's set to Liquid Shell. Why isn't this working? Oh my god, why isn't this working? Ah, damn it! Oh, come on! Oh my god, okay. Let's see here. Look at all this YAST stuff. What does YAST do? Okay, so this is like all your system settings, and this is kind of... outside of the KDE settings. Okay. Where's that, where's that stupid thing? Okay. Yeah, I don't get it. Why didn't it boot into... Here, you know what? We're going to log out again. And we're going to go with IceWM and see if that works. Yeah, that works. Can't fucking see anything, but it works. Okay, let's log out of this shit. Okay. So IceWM works, but not Liquid Shell. Here, let's fucking restart the computer. Restart the whole computer, and then we'll try Liquid Shell. Oy vey. Come on. There we go. Okay. Go with Liquid Shell, and then type in my password, and enter. Wrong password. Enter. Or I spelled wrong, I should say. Okay, that's... Yeah, no, this is just Plasma. This is just Plasma! What the hell? Oh man. One day, I will fucking get this working, okay? I will get Liquid Shell working one day, okay? And then we'll look at it and I'll cover it and it'll be great. I'm just so frustrated. So frustrating. I did not mean to open up LibreOffice. Oh, it has the little OpenSUSE chameleon. Okay. I didn't know they did that. So, yeah. Well, I guess I'm just going to end it here because I am very deeply frustrated. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you were confused by anything, please leave a comment asking about it. And maybe I'll cover that and try to explain it better. So yeah, please do. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.